I'm Max Van, this is the Alpinestars Tech Air 7X, and I'm scared.
Okay, we were set up for the deployment, and then we wanted to give you kind of a 360 after the fact. And what I can tell you that we learned with this one, there's a lot of coverage area with this. And look at all this coverage all down the chest.
Shoulder too.
In the shoulder, all the way down the back.
Tailbone.
That's airbag right here. This thing was inflated all the way down this back protector. Ton of coverage. Deflates really quickly. You know, Max had made a couple of posts on social media. These came out today, right? And we're getting the video shot. We've had our stock here for a few days. We just finally got to this. One person's comment right away was, no, this needs to be zipped into a race suit. Negative. It can be zipped into a Tech Air compatible race suit, or, as we're very clearly displaying right now, this thing can be used as a standalone vest under any race suit or jacket that will allow for airbag use as well.